To begin, butter up a baking tray just like so. Then place a large skillet over medium heat with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add 2 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. Sauté the onions over medium heat for about 5 minutes, and to help the onions caramelize quickly, add half a teaspoon of sugar. Continue sautéing uncovered for another 5 minutes until golden. Once the onions are caramelized, golden and beautiful, set them aside. We are using 18 Hawaiian sweet slider buns. Transfer the buns to the prepared baking tray. These sweet Hawaiian buns are pre-sliced, which make things a lot easier. I am using half a pound of roast beef and half a pound of pastrami. Layer the lunch meat over the buns. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. Then, spread the caramelized onions over the lunch meat. Then, top that off with about 10 slices of provolone cheese. Place the top part of the buns over the cheese. Now, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make a butter garlic sauce to brush over the sliders. Combine 2 tablespoons of melted butter with 2 cloves of minced garlic and about 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. Give that a quick mix to combine. Now, remove the sliders out of the oven and brush them with the garlic butter sauce that we just created. Then bring them back into the oven for another 2 minutes. To make the dipping sauce, we are using Campbell's Ajú gravy, 10.5 ounces. In the same skillet, add the Ajú gravy and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then remove from the skillet and set it aside. And if everything goes according to plan, your French dip sliders would look like this. Using a bread knife, cut through the buns to separate into individual sliders. And now you are ready to dip and eat. Ooh. There you guys have it. French dip sliders. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.